Hello guys, this is Balika. In this video, I'm going to show you a gift that I made for one of my friends who is visually impaired and super talented. I have been so blessed by his counseling training over the past year, and I wanted to make him this special and unique gift to say thank you. And the idea of soap carving came to me, and I think it's the perfect gift because he can smell the nice scent of the soap and he can feel the carving with his hands. I've chosen to use a soap from Lux. This video is not sponsored. I've tried many different brands before, and I just find this particular brand, the soap is a bit softer, so it's easier to cut into. I also quite like the existing floral pattern on the soap that gives quite a nice frame to my carving. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more gift ideas, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget you can keep the scrap pieces to make your own room smell nice too. See you in my next video!